Hello viewers, welcome to Tuhin's editing. In this video I will show you how to install Duik Bassel in After Effects. Duik Bassel means the version 16, how to install that in After Effects, and after that I will show you how to revert to the previous version if you don't like this one. You can always revert to the previous version of Duik if you don't like the current version. So this will be a very fast and quick tutorial and installation guide. So let's get started. To install, first go to the Google and search Duik. Click on the first link, you will get to the website, then click on download. You will see different versions there. I'll download the Windows version, and if you're running Mac OS you can download the Mac version too, but I'll go with this one. I have already downloaded the file. I'll just unzip it and copy these two files. You can see two files from the zip folder. Now I will copy these two files into the C drive, program files, Adobe After Effects CC, support files, and then scripts UI panel, and I'll just paste them here. Continue. I need to copy the both files. Continue. And this is it. Just open up the Adobe After Effects version that you have. This is very easy tutorial. It should work right now. So after the Adobe After Effects is being loaded, go to Window. And you will see there's Duik Bassel, and there's already another new version of Duik Bassel, but this is pretty much it, how to install the file. You can read this, and you can also use the tab on the other side as you wish, and all the functions are okay. So right now I'm going to install the previous versions. Let's go to the control panel and search Duik. You'll see there is nothing, so you can't uninstall the Duik from control panel. We have to delete the files from the script UI panel folder. As you can see, there's nothing, so I'll go to the folder, C drive, program files, Adobe After Effects, support files, script UI panel. So I'll delete the current version, the Bassel version of the Duik, and I need to download the previous version. To download the previous version, you just go there. I'll give the link on the description. Just click there and you can get any version you want. Every version of the Duik, they published so many versions since 2010, and I'll download the version 14 as I learned rigging first time in Duik version 14. So it's already downloaded. Just extract here, and pretty much the simple thing, same thing that I did for the previous one. Just copy paste it in the script UI panel, same directories, and just open up the After Effects once again. Make sure you closed it and restarted it. And go to Window. You'll see the previous version is there, Duik, not Bassel, the 14 version. I have used this version so many times, so if you need this version you can always revert to this version or any other version, and always can put that on the side panel as you want. So this is it, pretty much easier to work on. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this, make sure you subscribe, and we are going to publish more tutorials in future. Thanks.